visit our channel for more exciting videos. Hey, what up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here in the Pietermaritzburg Hesketh Estate launch. I know some of you are already asking themselves as to how I actually made it to be featured in this launch. Yes, I am one of the big shots. That's why I was invited to attend this event. But let's just leave the story for another day. In this video, we are going to provide an in-depth overview of the Hesketh Estate and its surrounding areas, including the nearby shopping centers, the schools, and other amenities. We'll also take you on a virtual tour of the apartments, showing their unique amenities and other features. Additionally, we will discuss the upcoming projects for the apartments and provide you with an estimate of the price you can expect to pay, including rates and levies. So sit back and enjoy the tour of this stunning apartments. So before we proceed much further, basically what you just seen is what you can expect to see on a daily basis driving from the apartments, maybe to your place of work or to the CBD, or just simply going to the shopping centers. And please keep in mind that these apartments are not fully operational, but they are still under construction. But some of them do have tenants. So by the end of this video, if you feel that you are interested in going and getting yourself an apartment in Hesketh Estate, this is a very good chance for you to rush and secure your own apartment here. Now I'm at the waiting center waiting for one of the representatives to take me on this tour of the apartments. So as I did tell you that these apartments are still under construction, but sit back because just now they are going to take me through where the apartments are functional. The Pietermaritzburg Estate is located just about 15 minutes away from the CBD. And I must say, this estate is nestled in the heart of one of the most serene suburbs in the area. Now let's take a look at the first property that was on display and up for grabs. The first apartment that was shown was a spacious 2-bedroom unit with a cozy living area and a well-designed kitchen. And this is just my own personal observation. The apartment is perfect for a young professional or couples who are looking for a comfortable space to call home. Please note that all the extras that you can see are just things that you can do in the property, but the property comes as standard with no extras. I think the other information that they gave to me was even the kitchen. Basically, whoever is going to move in will have to design their own kitchen. second apartment was a 3-bedroom unit with more open living space and modern finishing. And I couldn't help noticing that the rooms were quite spacious and the view from the balcony was absolutely stunning. Both of these apartments are priced reasonably and are great value for money. It's not just about these fantastic apartments, but they also have other projects that are still coming up in their schedule. One would be the construction of a private swimming pool or a communal swimming pool inside the estate, and a shopping complex right next to the estate. And I'm sure you're already excited because this is a huge highlight and something that both buyers and residents will be thrilled to know. The levies for the apartments are affordable and cover services like maintenance and rates. Now, let's talk about the cost of buying a property and owning a property in the Hesketh Estate. I think this will also excite you as a buyer or an investor, is that in buying a property in the Hesketh Estate, there are no transfer duties costs involved. The good thing is they still have properties available for you to purchase, starting from $975,000 for a 2 or 3 bedroom apartment, $1,375,000 to $1,595,000 for a 2 or 3 bedroom duplex, and lastly $1,699,000 for a 2 to 3 bedroom freestanding home. So after all has been said, if you are interested in purchasing a property in the Hesketh Estate in Pietermaritzburg, basically we're going to make an example of the lowest price property you can get in this estate, of which it's an apartment for a 2 or 3 bedroom starting at 975,000 rands. Let's see how much you can expect to pay monthly. So let's consider a mortgage bond of 20 years at a current interest rate in South Africa of 10.5%. Basically, your monthly repayments would be 9,898 rands. Removing transfer duties cost of 27,549. And at the bottom, they're also recommending the minimum monthly salary that you should earn to be comfortable while paying for this apartment. Besides monthly payments towards your mortgage bond, there are other costs that you should think about. That's your maintenance, levies, and rates. These have their own amounts since they are dedicated to different places depending where you live. Overall, I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed with what the Hesketh Estate has to offer. I think it's a fantastic investment opportunities for anyone looking for a comfortable and affordable space in a prime location.
kulungile. Yabona. Sure. Akukho kuwe.
So that's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content like this. As always, I'm here to entertain, inspire and educate you all. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Peace.